Hey, what's going on, everybody? I know who it is. It's JJ, Al, whichever one you wanna call me by. First things first, Monday, happy Monday. I want to thank everybody that's been subscribing, dropping comments. I haven't really been dropping more videos, but I'm starting dropping more videos. I was looking at the little course that I bought, and probably what I'm gonna do is just gonna make this just nothing but about me. Probably gonna just not put the gaming stuff in here. Probably just switch all my gaming stuff to like Twitch and stuff like that. This channel is just going to be about me as a business owner, and probably just me like on vacations and stuff like that when I'm out. Like, 'cause I am going to be taking a vacation Monday, so you'll be getting content from me from next Monday till like I'll be Monday through Friday, so I'll be gone for like a week. So it'll just be nothing but like content of me on the boat and stuff like that. It's not gonna be that not gonna be as crazy content. It's try to be as crazy content as much as possible. But yeah, I think I'm gonna just take all my gaming stuff and just try to build my Twitch, so that'll try to get that other revenue income. Just leave this one just to be about myself and about me owning the car business and me giving out car advice. I'm gonna get back to doing a dealer license, how to get your dealer's license in each state and stuff like that. Give out more car buying advice, financial advice, and stuff like that. And if I come across like any other business ideas, then I'll come across that. But try to just make it more just about myself and about me as a business owner. So that's kind of what the direction is. This is going to be doing. Leave my gaming channel just for Twitch, and then I got my second channel that I was gaming on. It's just going to be like a daily upload channel, like of shorts and stuff like that, and maybe like little short videos, maybe like 1 to 3 minute videos. It's just updates about me being a Jaguars fan and what's going on with the Jaguar news and stuff like that. It's gonna be like a Jaguars news, so Jaguar fans and stuff like that. That's gonna be for that channel. I don't want to just let that channel go to waste because it has like over 500 some subscribers and it has some pretty good views over there. I did delete all the gaming stuff over there, so it's just gonna be like kind of like a shorts channel, just like Jaguar daily shorts and stuff like that, because I'm a Jaguars fan. But I gotta stay on my grind. I gotta stop being complacent, because a lot of times I get complacent. Like, I'll sell some cars and stuff like that, and then I'll just be chilling at the house. Like, yeah, it's cool chilling at the house and spending time with my kids and stuff like that, but I got to grind, grind and just set up everything. I feel like if I can grind good for the next if I can put the next 5 years into just steadily just grinding everything from my YouTube to my Twitch to my little shorts channel that's going on, and then I got monetized on Facebook too, so I can grow that. But I can just throw any type of content on Facebook, because it's going to be my Facebook about myself, so I can grind. I got my monetization on Facebook. So I need to drop on there. I need to go work and get monetized on Twitch. Then I'm already monetized on YouTube and flipping cars. I just need to grind, and I need to stay locked in. So that's what Monday is going to be going in. I'm going to make sure I stay locked in, and I'm trying to follow up, and then I'm gonna try to keep y'all onto it too. So y'all tell me in the comment section below what's y'all plans and what y'all plan on getting locked in and what y'all plan on getting accomplished. And then every Monday we're gonna stop in and I'm gonna holler at y'all. We're gonna make this video, and this is gonna be the Monday check-in. We're gonna make sure every Monday we on our grind, we staying locked in, we staying focused, we not veering off the path or nothing. What else I got? Yeah, gonna keep flipping the car. And if anybody know about anything about trading, because I was watching a guy, his name is Brandon Carter. He's probably popped up on some of y'all YouTube. Y'all probably seen him, buff, like bald dude, stuff like that. Y'all probably seen some of his videos. But he was saying have like five accounts. He called one like his baller account, and then like one for his trading account. So that's what I want to do. I want to learn how to trade. So I want to start putting some money into a trading account. So if any of you guys that's watched my video know anything about trading and can drop any like books about trading, links about trading, any of that stuff about trading, drop it in the comment section below. And then I'm gonna go back through the comment sections and see the states that I missed about dealer's license, and I'm gonna go drop videos on those. I'll be start working on those tomorrow, whichever ones that I missed. So if it's one that I missed or one that you want me to state that you want to add for your dealer's license, if you're watching this, drop it in the comment section below, and I'll get started on that tomorrow, Wednesday. I'll probably going back to doing walkarounds at the auction. Probably start back doing those. Just walking around, just seeing what they got. Just like a pre-sale walk around, just kind of seeing what they got. So we'll probably start doing some more back of those. Just kind of just dropping the content, car content, and just going crazy. And whatever I buy for backlots and stuff like that, and any other cars that I buy that I come across, y'all will see that as well, and y'all know what I paid for them, and we'll go from there. I appreciate y'all for rocking with me. I'm out. Peace.